What's good, my people? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. As always, appreciate you rocking with your boy. Got something a little different. I know y'all have all seen the Scat Pack Challenger, and in the background you probably see the 68 GTO sitting there looking all sad. And so it's time to change that. You know, my pops and I, we got that car together in 2006, and last year in September we lost my dad to some pulmonary emphysema. I didn't even know he was sick. We talked about the Raiders and we talked about cars. Never got into the serious stuff, but yeah, so now he's gone. And but anyway, we used to be dreaming, looking at, you know, parts magazines and dreaming of, you know, what we wanted to do to the car. And I finally sold the ATV that I had, so I'm excited to tell y'all we did make a purchase. I got a staggered set of wheels here. They're 17 by 9s for the rear, 17 by 8s for the front. Got all the original jammies. And I opened this up earlier, got goosebumps, man. It's like stepping back to my childhood. Look at that, man. And he would be drooling right now, man. My dad would be drooling over this. So, man, literally it gives me chills seeing those wheel caps. I remember growing up as a kid, you know, he had the Rally 215s and he had repainted them. You know, junkyard rims when you would find, you know, parts for these old cars in the yard. And he actually bought the center caps new. And now I got them, dude. Pay tribute to Pops. Got the original PMD center caps. They're gonna look so freaking sweet. So yeah, let me eventually I'll get these rims unboxed, but tomorrow I'll probably go into America's Tire. Gonna try to get something American on there. Just a budget tire, something to do some burnouts on. I got all the stickies on the Scat, and this is just gonna be a Cars and Coffee cruiser, so I'm excited, y'all. Man. So yeah, year one, 17-inch Rally 2 repros, staggered setup, 17 by 9 in the rear, 17 by 8 in the front, proper back spacing, should be legit. Yeah, so we got the wheels out. The camera decided to turn off, so let's go ahead and take a look. Have these nice covers. Brother. Ah, damn, those look good, Hoss. So it's the 17 by 9. Rally 2 replicas, year one wheels. Man, do they look freaking sweet, brother. Man. Oh man, the old man would love looking at these. God, these look good. These look good. I'll start hit up America's Tire and try to get some tires mounted up, but this one definitely passes the inspection. Look at that lip, fellas. Slip lippy, ladies and gentlemen. 17x9, year 1, rally 2, landed. Yeah, these look so sweet. All right, y'all, first fire up in about 5 months. Use my dad's set of keys here. All right, that's my dad's old set of keys. Let me go find my set of keys. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, round 2. Those are my dad's old keys. I'm not sure why they didn't work. But anyway, I got my key. Fuel filter's empty. So yeah, let's see what happens. Sounds like she's dead, ladies and gentlemen. Brand new battery. Oh no. I think I just bought this battery in like February of this year. Yeah, time goes by fast. 7/2022. So yeah, it's almost been a year, but it's a Napa Legend, 3-year battery. So be taking this back to the old farm and taking her back to the old farm and requesting a new battery. All right, baby. 68 GTO. First start in about 6 months. Gas. Here in California, we ain't got no choke set up on this car, so she cold-blooded. You throttle Bob. Good engine. Up, man. First startup after about 6 months, 5 months. Baby. Man, yo, go lives. Love you, Pops. Love to see this from fucking dad, man. Yeah, so once the wheels get here, we'll get her mounted up on these wheels, take her for a voyage. But first thing I want to do is install my dad's old stereo in here. The old Alpine, old school shit, old school shit. That was in his pickup. His pickup wasn't running. I had to get rid of it, but I kept the stereo stuff, so I'm gonna slap that in the goat, man. And hopefully by September 3rd, we can take this thing for a cruise. Go honor Pops. So. Take this out. Electric fan's still running. Man. So bittersweet, man. Oh, God, this hurts. It's so sweet because my dad would be so proud, but it's so hard because it's like Dad's with me. That's all we could say. So.
See how it sings like a sad heart and joyously screams out its pain. Sounds that build high like a mountain, the notes that fall gently like rain.
Tucked up a little wiring down here. Tidied that up down there. Installed the stereo. Found a CD. Some Rush.
I can't wait to share this wonder. The people will all see it's
I
like
think it's time to make one happen, y'all. Man.
Maiden voyage.
No throttle Bob.
Throttle Bob. Put a reverse, Jerry. You can't be gone too long. You can't do this guy in the street. This gal. What do you think?
50-year-old car. Cruising. Smells like a 50-year-old car.
50-year-old car.
Carburetor surging like a 50-year-old car.
Turning right here.
Long block. The accelerator pump is gone. Second. What's up, Pops? Third.
That's it.
All the
That's all
gears.
she's got.
That's all the gears. Of course, we got a car coming.
Still got it.
Needs an alignment. Look at that. It ain't shaking no more though.
That's good.
It was shaking like hella bad. The old GTO, man.
literally sounded like some bolts fell out.
Literally, I heard ting ding ting ting. Oh no. I'm gonna go get the car and come back. Or take me to the parking lot and I'll go run out and look.
I did an inspection, everything looked fine.